step up upstairs, then go find that floor. And it's a really nice, big waterfall up Nike River.
Morning guys, welcome to the Milford Sound Cruise. We are cruising with Southern Discoveries today. Yeah, so far it's a little overcast and rainy, but should make for some awesome moody kind of shots, so check it out.
It's actually going to be the first species in the world to ever have a full genetic mapping.
Check this out. Getting absolutely soaked. It's getting absolutely soaked down here. Look at this.
Unique. This one runs down 3 large glacial palisades in the back.
So it's a little chilly out here right now. We've just gone under a couple of waterfalls. You can go right up to the front of these waterfalls. It's absolutely crazy. But my fingers are freezing right now. I think it's time for some lunch. Check that out. That was the Southern Discoveries Milford Sound tour. Boat tour cruise. We got free lunch, well, included. Thanks to the Milford Sound Lodge. That's where we're staying tonight. So we got a cruise included in that. Hey Claire.
And dinner and breakfast.
Dinner and breakfast, yeah. So we're heading back to the lodge now. We can eat some food. They gave us some sandwiches, cookies, cheese and biscuits, and water. The weather's actually starting to clear now, which is good. Not so much on the boat. Hey guys, so we're back at the Milford Sound Lodge. We're staying in a riverside chalet. There's the view. And now we've got a heap of waterfalls just outside the room. So I'm gonna go shoot just out on the creek in 2 seconds. So that was the inside of the riverside chalet. And if you come around here, there's some more down that way. And some more down there as well, and it backs right onto the river, which is super cool. Now they've also got a cafe, restaurant, so you can have breakfast and dinner. There's also reception, you can buy Wi-Fi if you need it. It's pretty expensive, it's about $10 per 100 megabytes, so enjoy that, fellow Instagrammers, photographers, videographers. Yeah, it's good if you're just spending maybe 24 to 48 hours here in Milford Sound. Guys, so right now, we're just gonna have a bit of a chill day. It's been crazy for almost 2 weeks now, maybe a week and a half. We've still got 3 days left in Queenstown from tomorrow. But for now, I'm gonna do some editing. I have a lot of photos to catch up on, blog writing, blog posts. Yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy the view and get some stuff done. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Claire.
Hi, Scott.
We're currently leaving Milford Sound, unfortunately. We're about to drive through the Homer Tunnel. It's like the tunnel of death. That's it, all the way at the top there. It actually goes through that mountain. Yes, that's right, through it. It's a pretty decent tunnel too, so it's pretty freaky. If you're claustrophobic and afraid of everything like me. Yes, that's been 48 hours in Milford Sound. We're heading into Queenstown for the last 2.5, 3 days, and then flying back home. So, hope you've enjoyed it. For now, we'll see you in Queenstown. Bye. I'll see you, demon. There's a busload of people checking out the Kia on our car.